Electric generator is a device which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy, and it just works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. You can see our electric generator is just consists of two pulley, one here and you can see another here. The diameter of this bigger pulley is 4.5 times greater than the diameter of this smaller pulley. It means now when I just provide one complete rotation like in this form, so corresponding to our smaller pulley complete 4 rotation and 1/2. So magnet is also connect with this pulley inside this coil. Now when rotate this pulley, so corresponding to magnet inside this coil is also rotate. Now in starting you can see the magnet is just placed inside this coil is constant. So it means the magnetic flux link with this coil is also constant, is not changed with the time. So no induced EMF produced inside this coil according to Faraday law. Now when I just apply small force on it, then corresponding to the magnet inside this copper coil is rotate. Due to this reason, the magnet continue change the polarity and magnetic flux link with this copper coil continuously change. The changing magnetic flux corresponding to time generate the induced EMF inside this coil. So due to this reason our LED just glow. So let's see.